Alright guys, it's Craig from Indigo Distribution again, and we're doing another unboxing of the next level up. So on the Klipsch range, obviously. So we've done CS, we've done DS, and now this wee video is going to cover the the professional reference range. Personally, my favourite range. I think it has the best bang for buck. It looks stunning, it sounds incredible, and I just really love it. It is amazing. So traditionally where you'll use these guys is in light cinema rooms, media rooms of quite high-end media rooms, high-end background audio for in ceilings and in walls, and it's aimed at that kind of market. And typically with the Klipsch range, it's all tractor horn. So that equation just gives you such a nice tone. It sounds unbelievable. It's just a direct representation of, a reproduction, sorry, of what basically the audio engineer and the artist tries to give you. So what you're getting within Klipsch is just something that sounds perfect. I'm actually going to start with the left stuff because in ceilings are obviously the main seller and the main installation product when custom install. What we've got here is the Pro 16 RC, and you've also got the Pro 18 RC. And as with all the other Klipsch range, the 16 and the 18, or the 160 and the 180, is 6.5 inch and 8 inch. Okay, so what we've got, this is the 16. Okay, 16 RC. You'll notice it's slightly different. You'll probably notice by the depth, this guy is pure quality. Little press terminals in for your red and black, so for your speaker terminals. It's weighty, it's solid. Everything about it just screams quality. I love it. Okay. You'll also notice the construction of the cone totally changes as well. These guys have, it's not injection molded, it's not graphite, and it's not silk domes. This is a cerametallic grill, or sorry, cerametallic woofer. Apologies. Tractor torn tweeter, 90-degree dispersion on it. Well, it's 90 actually. Sorry. Not only that, you're going to get 100 degrees dispersion on the coverage, so it's quite a wide sound field on this guy, and across the Pro range anyway, in general. So what you've got, unlike the CS and DS, is they were skyhook, so that was the rapid install, single press, deploys dog legs. You have a much more secure installation process, and as such they've called it Secure Fit. Does exactly what it says in the tin. This is a pre-construction collar, as you see me popping it off. Hopefully I don't drop it. These guys, and it's the same across the range, the in ceilings and the in walls come with a construction collar. Okay, you will put this in first into the ceiling, screw it in. It reduces noise and vibration by about 45%, because these guys are capable of handling so much more power. Just really, they can kick out. They are very, very loud whenever you turn them up. Paired with a lovely amplifier, 2-channel or AVR, your choice. You will get a bit of vibration in the ceiling, a bit of vibration through the plasterboard, and this will help reduce that. It actually does a very, very good job of that. Pop it in, screw it in, it's done. Then you'll come along. All of these come with an extra paint shield, or with a paint shield, should I say. And it's just another reason why Klipsch kind of have your interest at heart as an installer. Just to recap on the range then, guys, in the in-ceiling range, you have got a really nice Pro 14, you've got the Pro 16, and then you get the Pro 18, or all the RC range. All look the same. The Pro 14 is really cool, little tiny get out of jail free, sort of not much bigger than a downlighter, so it's quite cool. You pair it up with a nice sub. It's a lovely little media room too. So to go into the in walls then, you've got some lovely LCRs in the front, which you can see right in front of me, and then you've got some of the rears and sort of the surround and supporting products as well, so the RWs. Okay, so within the Pro in walls, you've got, as you see, you've got a Pro, well, this is a Pro 25. There's a smaller one again, which is a Pro 24. So it's 24, then 25, and then you've got the Pro 250. I love the Pro 250 to be used in applications of your full LCR. I don't generally use them as a center channel. I think it looks a lot nicer having that uniformed look and feel. 250 either side of the TV. It's just a really nice setup. Again, paint shields come into play. And then on the supporting left and rights, or your surrounds, or your rear surrounds, you have got, as you see here, it's the Pro 16 and it's the RW. So RW will denote what you're expecting to have, or see. Okay. Again, within this you have got the 16 and the 18. Okay. These guys here are again, really solid. It's got the let me just pop it here. It's got the 90 degree dispersion on your tractor's horn, and that is again just an exact, well, it's close to an exact representation of what the audio engineer and the musician is trying to provide. And again, it depends on the range size will depend on the size of the cone as well. Okay, all different applications, all different sizes of room will dictate on how you or what you put in. Okay, so one of the things that Klipsch have thought about, again, and I'm actually going to call in our beautiful assistant Steph. She doesn't know she's coming in. Is really nice. So all I need to do is just hold this for a second. So the pre-construction collar comes with this as well. So you'll put this in. This will be into the wall. Steph's the wall, and you have got your your screws sitting out here. So traditionally, what you do is you come along and you will. You come along and you hold this, and then you'll be terminating it. It'll be up against your knees. Sorry, the terminations are on the top. It'll be up against your knees. You'll terminate it. You'll have to pop it in. Klipsch have thought about you guys again. Okay, this is kind of heavy stuff. So what you'll do is you can come along. Your cable will be out. You can marry these guys up. Although the screws aren't out, maybe it's far enough. This might be a bit awkward, a bit difficult. I think the top ones need a bit of a jiggle in. So it'll be held there. Leaves both your hands free to do whatever you need. So you can come along, because these guys here probably weigh about 3 or 4 kilos. You will hold it, you'll terminate it, and then what you can do? Nope. If you just hold it fast, you can go ahead and remove it, and then you'll swap it around and you'll put it in, lock it into place, and you'll battery screwdriver that in, and that's it locked in. So it kind of just. It's nice. It's a nice little thought. It's all those wee things that add up that make Klipsch just that much more of an easy installation speaker. What you've got within the Pros and the Reference Premier range, which is the next level up, is you both square. I'll use this. You've both got square and circle grills in the box. Okay. A lot of other brands might charge you for the squares. They come free of charge. So it's just that extra little bit that Klipsch have thought, yeah, that's a nice feature, that's a nice addition that just make them just one of the world's leading brands, really, to be honest, in the speaker world. Again, it's magnetic, it's completely bezel free, so it's edge to edge grill, and they're just really cool. So yes, within the Pro range, lovely price point, my personal bang for buck, go-to speaker. They have pretty much everything that you need, and they sound class. You just need to get a pair in your hands and test them and listen to them and do a wee 5.1. Yeah. Peace out, home dog.